Local to Global India. Today we are presenting about IndusInd Bank Limited. IndusInd Bank is a universal bank with a widespread banking footprint over 2.4 crore customers, over 5,000 distribution points and nearly 2,000 branches across the country. With sustainability at the core, we offer a wide array of products and services for individuals and corporates, including microfinance, personal loans, personal and commercial vehicle loans, credit cards, and SME loans. We are also preferred banking partner for various government entities and PSUs and large corporates. Shareholding pattern and share price of IndusInd Bank Limited are like this. Last traded price on NSE was 621.65. 52-week high was 1596.55. 52-week low was 235.55. Upper price band ranges at 696.70. Lower price band ranges at 570.10. Shareholding summary of IndusInd Bank Limited are like this. Promoters are holding 14.7%, MM holdings are 12%, FIIs holding are 52.1%, other institutions are rest, and public holdings are 18.6%. Recent news for IndusInd Bank Limited are like this. LKP Securities has given buy rating to IndusInd Bank with a target price of Rs 705. The share price moved up by 1.03% from its previous close of Rs 610.05. The stock's last traded price was 616.35. IndusInd Bank Limited, incorporated in the year 1994, is a banking company having a market cap of Rs 46566.21 crore. The bank reported a gross non-performing assets gross NPAs of Rs 5098.95 crore, 0.00% of its total assets, and net non-profit assets net NPAs of Rs 1703.37 crore. For the quarter ended 30/06/2020, the company reported a consolidated interest income of Rs 6066.00 crore, down minus 2.53% from its last quarter interest income of Rs 6223.42 crore and up 5.43% from last year's same quarter interest income of Rs 5753.84 crore. The bank reported net profit after tax of Rs 51. Disclaimer from Local to Global India. Our channel's purpose is to promote homegrown Indian products, food, culture, finance, skills and talent of people to global level. We are following the theme which our Prime Minister said, that every Indian has to become vocal for their local. Not only to buy local products but also to promote them proudly. Hence, we are making and publishing videos on homegrown Indian products, food, culture, finance, skills and talent of people to promote on global level. Also, if you want to advertise or promote any of your product or talent, we, Local to Global India, will help you. You can mail us on localtoglobalindian@gmail.com. Please like, subscribe, share and comment for more videos. Thanks for taking time to read this. Local to Global India.